Alright, we have with us Tajay Thomas, man of the match performance from him today against McGrath team. It was a difficult game, a really difficult game. McGrath 0, Edwin Allen 2. Tajay, what's your thoughts on this game? How do you think your team performed today, and how do you think about your performance?
Well, to me, go out there and try my best, but I still feel like enough for the coach instruction to the fullest. Well, congrats to my team and the coaching staff.
You guys get 3 points away at home. Now it's just to go away and do the business. Will you guys see, you as a striker, do you see anything you can work on these defenders going to the next game?
Yes, sir.
What was the instruction at halftime on the coach? Because you guys were leading 1-0, and as I realized the game was a difficult game for you guys. What was the instruction from the coach going into the second half?
Coach told us that game is still 0-0. So you have to just go out there and win the second half. And we bring it to them.
Alright, Tajay, and good game again, and see you guys for the next game. Yeah?
Thank you.